In this session, we are going to find out cross-sectional area, chord surface area or the lateral surface area, total surface area, and volume of triangular prism. Here, the given figure is triangular prism in which ABC is a base, that is triangle. The given triangle is isosceles triangle, and the length or the height of the prism is 12 centimeter. We can see AB is equals to BC, that is 5 centimeter, and AC equals to 8 centimeter. Now, firstly, let us calculate cross-sectional area of this triangular prism. First of all, we need to understand cross-sectional area is the area of a triangular part. That means if we cut a slice of this triangular prism, we get a triangle, and the area of that triangle is area of cross-section. Here we can see the triangle is isosceles triangle. So directly we can use the formula cross-sectional area equals to b root under 4a square minus b square by 4. But here I am going to discuss the next way, which will be useful to all the figures. Let us calculate the area of this triangle. Here AB equals to 5 centimeter, BC equals to 5 centimeter, and AC equals to 8 centimeter. Here I firstly calculate semi-perimeter. We have the formula for semi-perimeter is small a plus small b plus small c by 2. That means sum of all sides of a triangle by 2. Here we get 9 centimeter. Now area of triangle equals to, we have formula root under s, s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. Going through this, we get, see the calculation, root under 9, 9 is semi-perimeter, 9 s minus 5 is one side, 9 minus 8 next side, and 9 minus 5, that is third side. In calculation, we can get area of cross section equals to 12 cm square. Similarly, if we had calculate this area of cross section by using this formula, we will get the same value. Also, we can see here this is a right angle triangle. By using Pythagoras theorem, we can find b, this portion height of this prism, and after getting this height of the prism, we can use the formula half base into height. You will get the same value. Now let us move through chord surface area. It is also known as lateral surface area. Chord surface area and lateral surface area. Its formula is perimeter of triangular base into length of a triangular prism. Here, perimeter of a triangle is sum of all sides, that is a plus b plus c, into length of the triangular prism is 12. So after calculation, we get 216 square centimeter. That means generally we can understand curved surface area or LSA is the part of this area of this rectangular parts, excluding the two triangle. Now let us know to calculate total surface area of a triangular prism. To calculate total surface area of a prism, we need to include these two triangular part. That means we get the formula curved surface area plus 2 into area of triangular base. We have already calculated curved surface area, that is 216 cm square, plus 2 into area of triangular base, we have calculated 12. By calculation, we get 240 square centimeter. Now, finally, to calculate volume, the formula to calculate volume of a triangular prism is area of triangular base into length. Length represents the height of a triangular prism. That is area of triangular base 12, from 1 we have calculated, length is given 12, so we get 144 cm cube. In this way, we can calculate cross-sectional area, curved surface area or lateral surface area, total surface area, and volume of triangular prism.